Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So let's get started. To pair our watch with the Android phone, first you will need to turn it on. So let's press and hold the crown button on our watch to turn it on. And once you see the OnePlus logo on the screen, you can release the button. Like this, and then wait until the watch is done booting up. In the meantime, we need to download and install the OHealth application on the phone that we want to pair our watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on the phone. Then open the Play Store. For some reason it has a wrong orientation. I don't know why. Anyway, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in OHealth. And then tap on search. And you should see this application, OHealth by HeyTap. Tap on install to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can open it, and then we can continue once the application is opened. In the meantime, we can go to our watch, swipe left on the screen, scroll through the list of languages to find the language you would like to use on your watch, then tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, it will tell you to download the OHealth application and use it to pair the devices together. As you can see, the application is done installing. We can open it. Here you can tap on this region and select the region you want to use for your watch. I'm gonna use something like United Kingdom, then tap on continue, agree, and then tap on allow. Tap on OK, and then tap on device right here, and tap on add device. Allow the required permissions, like this. Now find the OnePlus Watch Lite on the list of devices, tap on it. The app will start searching for the nearby devices, and it should detect our watch after a few seconds. And here we have it. As you can see, the name is correct. We can tap on it to select it. And now we can tap on pair, tap on the check mark to confirm. Check the boxes. The first two ones are mandatory, the other one is not, but if you want the watch to automatically update, you can check it if you want to. Then we have the permissions for some stuff like incoming calls, notifications, SMS and stuff like this. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. If you want to use these features, you need to tap on allow and then allow all of the features right here. Then we have the phone notifications. This is useful if you want to use the notifications from your, or see the notifications from your phone on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. If you want to allow it, allow. Then tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and then go back. Then we need to select the preferred wrist. And here we can set up the lock screen. I don't need it, but if you want to, tap on set passwords, and then pick if you prefer the pin or pattern and set it up. And then we can tap on later and wait until the setting up is complete. Now we can tap on continue. As you can see, I have an update available. I'm gonna skip it for now. As you can see here, the watch is right here on the device page, which means it's connected. And if you skip this guide for now, we can skip it apparently. So let's go through the guide. Okay. Leave me alone, please. I get it, please. Let me be. I don't want to see this. Yes, this is the electrode. Okay, perfect. And now the watch is ready to use. And as you can see, it says connected right here in the app. And if you open the quick panel on your watch, you will see this icon right here. That means that the watch is as well connected. And that means it is working. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.